Okay, good morning. So, last trading day of the week. Last trading day of the week. And then 2.5 weeks left to the month. A lot of trading left. A lot of trading left to do. So, just going through the list of yesterday's top gainers. Not much lah. Really, not much. Burma's auto, maybe. There's some sort of positive, not to say news, but rumor, I guess. As usual, you're going to be looking at previous runners, but I don't think there's going to be any significant carryover moves from yesterday. Not many runners. Top gainer is SCIB yesterday. Even so, on the daily is quite far off the top already. Right. Likely just gonna hit a lot of resistance. This is what it's SCIB. Yeah. So I don't think there's gonna be much continuation right off the bat. Data prep looks like it's gonna gap up. Any plays on this? Not too sure. Maybe a crack of 3 can be something to look at. Other than that, just gonna have to wait for the morning to start, and then we'll see what is moving today. Okay, so quite a lot of green on the board. Data prep probably the most gap today so far. Itronic is gapping up a bit as well. Itronic, but no volume. Everybody 200,000 volume, 100,000. Only DNX with over 1 million so far. Yeah, this only 2 of these are up slightly today. So we'll just wait and see. Obviously, data prep, we're still looking for sell-offs on data prep, because if you look on the daily chart, it's still very extended, very extremely extended. If you're counting it from the bottom, it's already up like how much? 1,500% from 17 cents all the way to 3 ringgit. It took a little bit of sell-off yesterday, right? From 315 and bounced between 3 and about 270s, but still no major sell-off yet. Maybe you can see a big sell-off today if the selling volume comes in. Let's see. There are a few counters popping up on our screen. Yeah, just very slow start to the day. Very low volume. Biggest volume on DNex so far. DNex. But even with 7 million volume, this is what the charts look like. It's just... No, no, no. You gotta stay away from that. But the volume on data prep can come in anytime, I think. No great plays on it, but the break of 3 might be a spot I'm looking for. Not too great, like I said. Coming off of a red day yesterday. Nah, didn't go for it. For the break of 3. Because it's not really a premium setup, to be honest. So no rush to pick up or anything. No rush for this. So I'm just gonna be a bit patient and wait for a better setup. Let it run a bit. If it can run, then that's fine. If you can push up through, okay, I might take a shot at this. Okay, did I get filled? I got filled a little bit at 3. I went in because of this huge support down here. It suddenly came in. So in for a small amount, small chunk. Looking for a very quick move, probably. So I'm in right here for the break of 3. Hopefully you can sustain. Definitely struggling a little bit. At 302s, 305s getting a bit more resistant. 305s getting a bit more resistant. You can see right there, but I'm in for a very small chunk. Very, very small chunk. So even if it goes wrong, then that's fine. I'll just stop out. Seems like there's some sort of buying volume trying to get it up. You just have to get it through 305. Shouldn't be a big problem, I think. Yeah, I stopped out, break even. There's no push. So just decided to stop out. Not too comfortable in this setup. That's fine. In at 3, out at 3. That's whatever. Very small anyways. So even if I pay the fees, it's probably gonna be about $100. There's nothing. So data prep is up the most today. Okay. Dayang. I have 304. Didn't even touch 305. Okay. It might slowly grind its way back up, but I'm not in for that kind of ride. I'm not in for that kind of movement. I rather just get out and wait. Don't care. Don't care if I miss it. It's just not a setup that I play. Everything else with all this kind of choppy movement. There's no range, no structure at all. It's like 5 cents from top to bottom. This as well. So far, only data prep, still the one. Still the one to watch, still the one that's moving the most. But the most is relative to everything else. Even though it's moving the most, it's still not that great. Serba Dynamic collaborate with Malaysian Space Agency. Wow, cool. S Dion gets takeover offer by AT. So just slowly moving today. And if the market doesn't move, we don't do anything. Remember, you have to learn to sit through a slow market if you want to be ready for a hot market. It can't be sunshine every day. Dow Jones still. I don't understand, man. Start to sell off. Could this be the beginning of the selling pressure? Needed to crack at least 290 first. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, keep selling. Break 290s. No, 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 don't buy it up yet. Don't buy it up yet. No, 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 no. What a waste. What a waste. Okay. There goes our one opportunity. Whoever this is holding at 290s. As usual, if you have any stocks that are interesting to look at, that you think has potential, let me know in the chat and I'll have a look. IP Muda, this name sounds familiar. I think it ran once or twice before. Breaking new highs and then selling off, breaking new highs and then selling off. So is it going to repeat the same pattern? Breaking new highs, will it sell off? Good thing. Artronic still selling off. Hopefully none of you are holding from the top. And if you are, hopefully you cut your loss. And if you haven't, whatever this donkey stock is. Slow days ahead. No big deal, just sit back and relax then. Read some news, I guess. Congrats to everybody who was holding Genting in your so-called long-term slash investing portfolio. Great to see that it's pushing upwards, giving out dividends still, I think. Yep. But if you've been holding since like 2017, then but I'm no investor, so I have no say in this. Is there a blue chip stock that is currently uptrending? Do any of you know a blue chip stock in Bursa that is currently uptrending? I guess in terms of 5 years, the gloves had the best track record lah, but it really uptrending though, kind of, right? Even before the boom, let's say the boom happened in April. Yeah, it's kind of in an uptrend. Top glove constantly going upwards. Even though it might look flat, even though the line might look flat, it has been pushing up quite a bit through 2015, 18. So data prep managed to push back up. Oh yeah. Push back up to almost $3 again. No setup here. Don't even bother trying to chase that. What other blue chip stocks are there? I don't even know, man. Whereas Asiata. Let's see, 5 year. Downtrending for 5 years, huh? Downtrending 5 years as well. Actually, what's the KLCI like in 5 years? 5 years. Also not too great. Nestle. How's Nestle been doing? Rarely ever see Nestle. Just flat. Well, how is everything in a downtrend? Okay. Cool. Let's see if there's anything new for us to trade. We had a look at I Ip Muda just now already, but nothing nice to see. Great tech. Dailies, meh. No structure, no setup, no nothing. No volume. I wonder if technical analysis even exists in this market, in this world. It doesn't. Hey Juan, what's up? It's been a while since I see you, my friend. Welcome back. Very nice. Pecan pet deck pet gas. Slowly recovering. Slowly recovering trades as well lah. Yan lah. These are all blue chips. They all still look like they're in a downtrend. Let's assume a world where technical analysis exists on Bursa. Simple channels. Very straightforward. Another channel down in here. So very clear. We need to see the price do this. Woo. There's literally nothing to look at here. There's just no structure. It's just downtrending in a channel. At least this has some kind of reversal already. So a little breakout here. Probably will slowly continue this small little uptrend. More channels. We love channels, right? And then we'll see if it respects this. I guess. I don't know. I don't do this shit. Okay, the next volume. High of all time. About 95.5. 95.5. Decent volume coming in. Hopefully can reject around the 94, 95. Hopefully it rejects around 95. They push up all the way 95, reject. And we can possibly find breakout on it. Small little hiccup. Oops. Sorry about that. My streaming software crashed yet again. But I'm back. So looks like foreign money is coming back in. That's why we see KLCI pushing up. We're getting that foreign inflow, foreign capital inflow again, which is great. Great to see. Local institutions have been selling. Wonder what the net short is at. Whoa, Top Glove is still quite heavily shorted. Not much. They haven't let go much of their position yet. Wonder how they're gonna cover their shorts. 227 million shorted shares for Top Glove. AirAsia is pretty heavily shorted as well. 16 million. Saudi. Be careful when you play Saudi. Don't want to get trapped. Everything else looks quite standard lah. Nothing really popping up. Nothing really popping off. More triangles. We love triangles. We love to draw lines, right? That's what technical traders do. Draw lines. Triangle. Most likely, it looks like it's on the upside though, direction. But we know Bursa lah. Triangle doesn't matter. Yesterday also sort of had triangle. Sort of had a triangle here. Then it's like, yeah, nope. Really no trades today. Really, nothing wants to move. D next is the top so far. D next. So this kind of staircase movement, this kind of up up two ticks, down one tick, up two ticks, down one tick, this is not unplayable. Unplayable. There's nothing. Well, what a potong steam way to end the week, man. But past few days, it's been quite a few moves, quite a few. Quite a few plays the past few days. Data prep, MSM, data prep, Saudi. A lot of plays, but then we end the week with very quiet day. Who knows? Maybe later something will pop up. Maybe D next will come alive. Or this 10-15% gain, but all look like donkey. Can we finally get a proper sell-off? so much support at 288. Once we crack this, hopefully we can have clear skies all the way down. In the ideal world, crack 2.88 and then drop all the way to about 2.65. In an even better world, 2.5 would be perfect. But first we have to get through 2.9, 2.88. So until then, just wait. Don't be impatient. Don't be impatient. Just learn to wait. Wait for the setup to come. And this shows you how little buyers there are. There's just no supply at all. Look at the orders. There's so little orders, but the price is just not moving up. So this is a clear example of no demand. Right? Even though there's low supply, the demand is so low that the price is still going down. Even the supply is quite low. I mean, the volume is just not there, lah. So nobody is selling either. The next keeps pushing up non-stop. But there's just no way, there's just no way to play this. How do you know when you want to sell? You're gonna just guess, right? We don't do that here. We don't guess. Is it really gonna keep pushing up like this? So today, no trades. No setups means no trades. Don't. And if you are those impatient type, then you go and gamble lah. If you are trying to be a profitable trader, then you better not have taken any trades today, because there's no setups. I mean, if you are following what I do lah, there's no setups. So you better wait on the sidelines. Talking to all the students who are watching right now, you better not have taken any stupid trades. But even if you did, make sure you note it down so that you can study it, prevent it in the future. Okay, don't let that loss go to waste. At least learn something from it. Protect. Everything else looks so slow. No volume. Nothing at all. So yeah, this triangle is useless. D-Nex really pushing it. So at least we can watch this guy slowly climb a mountain. So I'm not even gonna do market sweep today because there's just nothing to trade. Sure, Saudi went up like this, but there's just you're gonna get sold on. You're gonna get dunked on anytime. So I'm just not gonna try and play this. I'm just gonna avoid Saudi. Data prep. Don't know. D-Nex is actually continuing. Wow, it's still going. Breaking new highs, all-time high so far on D-Nex. Not all-time high, I take that back. That is not all-time high at all. What am I saying? So we're gonna have some resistance at the 1 ringgit area. Still going. It broke its recent resistance. 2 days ago, hit a high of 95 and a half. 95 and a half. How high will it go? So much volume, man. Excuse me. So okay. Yo, what's up? Eames. Thanks for tuning in for the outro, bro. Very slow day. Slow. The next. Even if we try to catch a break on the next later on, 1 ringgit will be a big problem. So our upside is very limited. Okay, so no potential trades that I can see so far. If there's anything new, I'll ping it in the student group as usual. Make sure you keep your notifications on for the stock alerts. Students will have a webinar tonight, 10 p.m. I'm going to introduce you to a new broker system and how to use every single little feature that they have. So make sure you jump in 10 p.m. Yeah, don't miss it. 10 p.m. on the Discord. Okay, no plays so far. Anything I will inform you. Anything I see, I will let you know in the Discord lah. So thanks for jumping into the stream, even if you're here for the past 2 minutes only. Still appreciate that you took the time to jump on. 9 a.m., 9 to 10 a.m. every single day next week. See you on Monday. Okay. Hope to see most of you jump in again. Stay consistent. Okay, ciao. Have a good weekend, man. Have a good weekend, my friends. See you 9 a.m. next week. Students, see you tonight, 10 p.m. Right, peace.